Alright, what's up guys? Let's try this new little setup out here. Don't know how well that's gonna work, but we'll see. It's better than my shaky ass hands, so got another video, unboxing video here. Let's get started. Now, as you can see, when I got this box, it was basically folded like that, like a V. So FedEx beat the crap out of this box. You see right here on the end, it's all like crinkled. I didn't do that. I just opened it up to make sure nothing was destroyed. So let's get started. Also, FedEx guy left it in the rain, so you know that's just great. So this is from Mobile Distributor. Cat Loco. Another YouTuber had like a 15% off or 20% off. I can't remember what it was. So I used that and got some stuff. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, let's start with, it is just a little oil can. So feels pretty nice. You know, I'm just gonna use this for drilling or whatever. It was pretty cheap, and I've kind of wanted one of these just to have. So next, I got these for work. There's the other one. There we go. I got one of these to give to one of my coworkers. These are can taps for. Let me open one up. It's for 134A. To use like like the little cans you can buy at AutoZone or whatever. Because most smaller refrigeration, like in a, it's just you just screw that down. It's got a little piercing. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a little valve in there that pierces the top of the can, and you can hook your gauges on your yellow hose onto that. But like smaller true equipment and small refrigerators, they use 134A, and they only hold like 1 or 2 ounces tops, or whatever. I'm just spitballing, but so that way we can just carry a couple of the little cans and be good, and not have to carry a 30-pound drum into a restaurant. So just trying to make life a little easier. All right, next is a stubby 3/8 ratchet. I'm gonna open that later because it says you gotta cut the plastic off of these things, and I bet that's gonna be challenging to get out. Ugh. There we go. Just gotta be a man about it. So yeah, feels pretty good. I don't know if you can hear that. It's pretty stout. Sorry, there's a glare, but yeah, that's pretty nice. Next, I got these for like $1.50. You can never have too many bits for the hammer, air hammer. So yeah, why not? I mean, these are, yeah. All right, now we're getting on to the big stuff. Now, this box, I don't have any of these, so why not buy a set of them? And this was extremely cheap. It was like 15 bucks for 3 of them. They're just dead blows, plastic dead blows. So yeah, this is that's a 2-pound. I think the 2-pound was the biggest. This is a 1 pound. It's probably a ½ pound. Let's see. Yeah, ½ pound. So you see the different sizes. Pretty nice. And move some stuff, because last but not least, 4-inch vise. So yeah, let's this thing was like $5 or something. Wish I had they didn't even give me a shipping label or a shipping, tell me what was in there, so I couldn't tell you how much it was. Oh, and of course I opened it upside down. So yeah, it's bright green, of course. And yeah, it's already a little dirty, but hey, feels pretty nice. So yeah, so we got show everything, vise, can taps, dead blows, chisels, or air hammer bits. God, I need to clean up. I got a mess out here. And 3/8 stubby. So I think all in total it was like it was like right at about $100, and then I used that discount code and got it for like 80, somewhere about $80. I don't remember exactly. It was kind of a blur when I ordered it. So, but anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video.